Okay, we're going to make our second anchor chart over secondary succession. If you will notice that my notebook is turned sideways, so I need you to turn your notebook sideways. I'm on page 20, but you might be on just the next available page in your journal. We're going to start by writing out the title of our anchor chart, Ecological Succession. And it's secondary. The teak is the same as it was for primary, so I'm going to put that next to it. Observe, record, and describe. The role of succession. An example would be in a microhabitat. And then I'm just going to make the lines here. Okay, remember the difference between primary and secondary is when it starts. They both happen in an ecosystem. They are both caused by some type of natural disaster or event. Remember that primary is started by glaciers melting or volcanoes erupting where we have to go to bare rock. But this process takes a little less time because we start with soil. So go ahead and write soil. That's going to be your first box. From soil, we go to weeds and grass. To shrubs, remember shrubs are small bushes. To trees. To forests. Remember, you can add in pictures if you would like, but those are the steps that secondary succession go through. So from dirt soil to weeds and grass, which is small, to a little bit bigger shrubs, to a little bit bigger trees, to lots and lots of trees, a forest. Okay, so the other note that I want you to write down is it proceeds faster because soil is present. Okay, so the things that we said could cause it: a fire, flood, hurricane, any other natural disaster. Okay, and then remember anytime we do a thinking map, we also need to follow that up with our so what. So what is this map about? Okay, so go back to the title of your map right here and talk about what is secondary succession. Remember, it should be in a sentence form. So your so what is this map about? So you should say something about secondary succession in it. And then where you have space, I'm going to write it over here. So why is this important? Now, I want you to think more about why is this important to you, not just for 7th grade science, but what does this mean? How does this affect you? How could this affect your ecosystem in White Settlement, Fort Worth area? Okay, so what is this map about? So why is it important to know? Okay, I will be checking for your sentences